Video I'll show you some of the AutoCAD commands. So let's start. So I'll show you some basic AutoCAD commands that will help you for your basic architectural drafting. So let's start with line command. So for the line command you need L enter. So for this like L, and in my previous video I have shown you how to set the dimension, so I have already set the dimension. So it's 10 feet, so it's a line command. Similarly I'll go for snap. Just to set the snap, you can go for F3 for snap on, or you can go for here like object snap setting. Here you can select all or select clear all, or you can choose whatever thing you want. I'll select all and okay. Or here you can set object snap, polar tracking, objects snap, grid, everything, but here I'm just selecting the object snap. And you can see this is when you select the snap, it's showing the grid point that will help you to select the exact point. Like suppose you want to select the midpoint, it will automatically show the midpoint. So that's pretty helpful for turn on the snap. So next we'll go for the ortho mode. So for the ortho, it's F8 is ortho on F8. So suppose it's ortho on, that's why the line is showing like straight. If like I will turn off the ortho, like ortho off, so now you can see the line will be like not straight. So suppose you want to choose the align command, AL enter. So this one I just have to align. So this way you can align something. Suppose I have to align this one, AL enter, and now say Y. So this one surface is aligned to this one. So this way you can use the align tool. The next one is distance. Suppose this is 2 this is 2 line, and you want to measure the distance. So let's DI enter. This one is showing 11 feet 19 feet 11 inches. We can show DI enter. D is showing 19 feet 11 inches. You can see, check the dimension like DLI. This is also 19 feet 11 inches. So you can use the like distance command, or you can use the DLI like dimensions. So you can text like 6 inch. Okay, so this is a 19 feet 11 inches. If I choose the distance, it is also showing 19 feet 11 inches here. So yeah, similar way you can check the distance of any point. Like here you can check the distance, DI enter. It's 31 feet 2 inches it's showing. So next command is divide command. So let's see how the divide commands work. So suppose this one is a line, and I want to divide it like 4 parts. So we can use the divide command. So for the divide command, I want to type div enter, and I can select, and I want to make it like a 4 segment. So I'm selecting for like 4. Is 4. Let me choose the point style. We'll go to the point style and change the point. So for the point style, we can see here like in the format, you can go to the point style, and you can select the points like different so that you can see the points. I'm selecting this one, so here you can see the different points, the segments. So this way you can like divide any lines or anything. Suppose another I'm showing another line. So here is a line and I want to divide it like six pieces. So for this sixth segment I want to choose div enter, and it's 6. This is the sixth segment, you can see. Next command we'll go for the fillet command. So the fillet command, suppose this is one line and this is one line. This line I want to use the fillet command, so I'll show you how it works. So the fillet command, the command is F enter. So fillet, it's radius. Suppose if I want to select the radius, it's like 3 feet. This is how the fillet command works. If enter, then radius is suppose 5 feet. This is how the fillet command works in the radius way, but you can change the radius like this way. So this way you can use the fillet command. Or suppose this is one line and this is one line, and you want to touch this line, you can also use the fillet command like this way. And so next we will go for offset. So for the offset you will type enter. So it's through, distance through. So suppose I want to change offset like 10 feet. Enter. Enter. Offset distance through, I will say 12 feet. It's 12 feet. So the next one is trim command. So for the trim command, suppose this is 2 line and you want to use the trim command. So for the trim command, it's tr enter. It's this way you can use the trim command. So next, the la enter layer properties manager. We can check for the layer properties manager. For this one you can check la enter. So this way you can see the layer properties manager. So this is the layer properties manager, and here you can see the layers. So this is the layer properties manager. So here you can see for this one is for new layer. After clicking this one, you can see how to create new layer. Suppose this way, layer 1 2 3 4, this way you can create new layer. Suppose you want to change it like dimension, and this one is for like rename. This one is for electrical. So this way you can change the layer names, and this one is for frozen. So if you want to freeze any layer, you can choose this one. This way you can frozen the layer, and this way you can delete the layer if you want to delete. And this one you can choose the layer for the current one. If you want to set any layer for the current drafting, just you can check this one. Suppose this one, you can check this one, and this way you can use it for the drafting for current layer. Suppose this way you can check the color, change the color here, and you can freeze here, and you can also turn on or off the layer. Suppose this is the current layer. Now I can see my drafting is like red color. So this way you can change the layers and create the layer, delete the layer, freeze the layer, and turn on and turn off the layer. So the next one is PR, display the properties valid. So this is PR enter. So this way you can see the properties here. You can a lot of things you can do with the properties values. Is all it's a like a vast thing, but this way you can just find the properties value, like PR enter. Yeah, here you can check a lot of things, and so for next one you can see so the next one you can go for quick calculator. First one is QC enter. This is quick calculator. These are some of the AutoCAD commands that are helpful for your AutoCAD drafting. So see you in the next video with some other commands or other architectural tips. So for today, bye bye, see you in the next video.